Good morning, everyone. This is Henry Gamble looking at the trade of the week for August 13th. And as I've been going through the charts this morning, it doesn't really feel like the easiest spot in time to want to be super aggressive. You know, the week of expiration kind of has a unique tone to it anyway. I would like to get a feel for how Mondays trade here a little bit. You know, I think we could trade down a little bit lower and then start to find our footing. And it's with that idea that I approach SQ, which is to say, you know, I like the idea of being long this. I hesitated to buy it right at the new highs this morning because generally that's not the place that I want to buy things, but the squeeze does still look good. So we're above the 8 and the 21. The parabolic SAR is turning in our favor and has for a while. The momentum of the squeeze is starting to shape up today, so it looks like a trade that could definitely have some potential. Now, there are a lot of different ways to play a daily squeeze, and that's why I also thought this might make for a good trade of the week, because there will be so many different ways of looking at it. The way that I'm going to look at it is probably one of the more conservative. It's a higher probability, but we'll have more risk involved with the trade idea. But I'm basically looking at selling these $71 puts with 11 days of life left. Now, when you work with expiration style trading, it can always seem so attractive to come in and sell something that expires this week. And admittedly, when you catch that move, it is nice to get the really nice decay, but there's a fine line between not collecting as much premium, also having to be pretty much exactly right, versus stepping out a little bit further and saying, hey, let me get a little more premium. See how the 71s here are only 55 cents versus here trading for $1.12. So I'm going to go out an additional week. I'm going to sell the 71 put, and I'm going to get this idea started trying to capture 50% of the premium received and being willing to add to it as it pulls back. Now, the idea with a naked put on this is that you sell a quantity to the degree that you feel comfortable holding the shares. So, with there being other ideas, you know, maybe you prefer to play this in a clearer risk definition type way, but my idea is I'll go ahead and get started today, acknowledging the pullback down into the zone right around 71 is where I would want to add, and then ultimately looking for the 50% of the credit received, and also being mindful of the 1272 and 1618 overhead. So that's where I'm getting the trade of the week started with SQ. I hope that is helpful, and we'll see you at the next trade of the week.